Hello students, today I am going to teach you about your lesson number 8 in English grammar, that is pronouns. Pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. Now you can see in the sentence Sumit, did you see Anil today? She is asking to Sumit. Now what Sumit said? Yes, I saw Anil today. Anil was wearing a smart shirt. Everyone asked Anil why Anil was dressed so well. Anil just smiled and did not say anything. So you can see here, one time Anil, second, third time Anil, fourth time, in a fifth time. So in a paragraph, his Sumit said 5 times Anil. Now, in the above sentence, we saw that the boy named Anil has repeated several times. If we replace Anil with the words he or him, the sentence will be read better. Now see, the sentence will be now, I saw Anil today. He was wearing a smart shirt. Everyone asked him why he dressed like this. He just smiled and did not say anything. Now see, only the word we add he and him to make this sentence, and these words are called pronoun. Some example of pronoun are I, me, you, he, she, him, they, them, we, us, etc. Now here sentence, we have to see the sentence here first. Fill in the blanks with the words I, you, she, her, he, him, we or they. My name is Ashok. I am Raju's brother. We then hai, he is a good friend. I like him. The children went into the woods as they. Children, plural, the word will be they. Wanted to gather berries. Then he is the man who helped me. Is she your sister? Our class is going for an outing. We will go to Agra. Now fill the blank with suitable pronoun. She has made a beautiful birthday card for her. So it will be she. Rajiv and I play football. Usually we play on Sundays. How many sandwiches do you want, Aarti? And Raj forgot his pencil box at home today. So I asked him if he want to borrow my pen. Have you organized your cupboard? This is Arun. Arun is a boy, so he is my neighbor. Now underline the pronoun. Sheetal said I are the best friend. We do everything together. The leaves of this tree are big. They are green in color. Mother, please do not scold us. We are very sorry. Isha is very beautiful girl. She always get the highest mark in the class. Those are Rajan's book. He, them. I am afraid of the dark. Please come with me. Now read the passage. It was a warm summer day and Alice was getting bored. Sitting beside her sister, who was busy reading a book, suddenly a little white rabbit with pink eyes ran in the front of her, exclaiming frightfully that it was getting late. The rabbit pulled a watch out of his pocket to check the time. He shook his head, then disappeared down a rabbit hole. Alice said to herself that she must find out why he is in hurry. Filled with curiosity, she ran to Rabbit's hole and peeped through its entrance. So, pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun in a sentence. For example, I, me, you, he, she, him, her, it, we, us, they or them are called pronouns. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.